Good afternoon, LinkedIn. James here from Hobson Pride. It's been a long time since I last posted a video. A combination of factors. I had a new laptop and I've been having a few technical difficulties getting the camera to work, so I've reverted back to using a phone for these videos. So apologies for the delay. Some really exciting developments over the last few weeks, which I'll be updating you all on in my next few posts. But I just wanted to talk to you today about a clinical trial management project we worked on. So we were working with a biotechnology company in Zurich in Switzerland. Now, they are a US-based company, or a US-owned company, who have been growing this Swiss site for quite some time. Now, one thing they really wanted our help with was for a phase 3 project, and really planning that project when it comes to headcount and salary bandings. What we actually did for them at the start of this year was we went out onto the market and we obtained for them a lot of data on salary levels of candidates, on talent pools by the area, and sort of general benchmarking information on benefits that people are getting in Switzerland. What they were able to do was actually then create a budget for the positions they have, and really plan and map out the teams and the hires they wanted to make in Switzerland. They got in contact with us just a few weeks ago because they had started the search on a number of these roles, but had struggles on clinical trial management hires in particular, which is what we have just recently assisted them on. What they were finding was that a lot of their advertising was just not getting the results they needed. There's a lot of active candidates who come in via adverts, but not a lot of them have the requisite experience, or they're coming from countries and not looking to relocate to Switzerland, which is mandatory to work on these projects, as they needed someone who could be in the office. They did try and utilise their own network, but they just weren't attracting the right candidates. Because we've worked with the business for a little while, we know about their growth plans. We really focused on their branding and working with them to deliver the right message into the marketplace, which is really key. We work with a lot of our clients on that employer branding to promote it externally to the market, because a recruiter who doesn't have that information can really cause a lot of damage in the market by giving the wrong impression of a company. But anyway, we took this search out into the marketplace using the sort of brand specific guidelines they'd delivered to us, and looking for the exact profile they were looking for. And we have now just completed the search for them. The second contract got signed yesterday, which means we've helped them hire 2 clinical trial managers in the last 2 months. And we're also very close to working and filling some other positions for them that we've obtained during the last 2 months. So we have offers out now for a statistician with the company, for a quality manager in GCP, and we have final stage interviews booked for a senior regulatory manager coming up next week. So if you are an established business in Switzerland and want market information to find out about sort of salary bandings and how that can benefit your business, or if you're a company who has maybe a small presence in Switzerland but is looking to expand, we can also provide this information on top of the recruitment services we have, and we are certainly there to help fill your positions when needed. Anyway, a bit of a lengthy one for me today, so I'll let you all get on with your days. Have a lovely afternoon, and you'll be hearing from me again soon. Thank you, and bye-bye.